Good morning, children. Last video we discussed about the types of pollution. How many types of the pollutions are there? There are four types of pollutions are there. Air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, land pollution. Then we will discuss about the saving our environment. There are various measures we will discuss about the how to save our environment. First measure is the to plant more trees and do not bath or wash clothes near the water bodies. Then avoid playing TV or music system on high volume. Then we were discussed about the follow the 3 R's to serve the environment. 3 R's. That one also we were discussed the 3 R's. 3 R's means what is that? Reduce, reuse, recycle. Once again, reduce money क्या होता है? Adopt practice to reduce waste. Reuse means use things again. Recycle means make a new product out of the any waste. Now we want to study the new topic. Clean home and surrounding. First we want to clean our home and surrounding. All of you look at the page number 111. Please, all the students, please open the page number 111. Keeping our home and surrounding area clean is also important aspects of taking care of environment. First we want to our home and surrounding should be cleaned. First we want to surround our areas. Clean surroundings are the necessary for us to stay healthy. Then only we will not get the different types of disease and etc. Otherwise we are throwing the waste things here and there and we will be getting different types of the disease. Disease means maybe some flies can be increased, mosquitoes can be increased, crocodiles and etc. It will be increased so that it may be get different types of disease like diarrhea, cholera, dysentery, jaundice, many waterborne disease also. So take care our surrounding first of all. Dirty surroundings can cause many dangerous disease. We should adopt ways to keep our homes and the area around our home clean. First we should be keep our own home should be neat and clean. Don't throw water here and there. Don't throw the waste foods here and there. This one also can be cause the different types of the diseases. Some measures are given to you. Then you can be look at the dust and mop of the house every day to be cleaned. You should want to keep and clean in our rooms very neat and clean. Second thing, use dustbin to throw coverage at home and also public places. Don't throw the waste things here and there like roadsides, public areas and etc. Where it is the coverage, the dustbin it is there only we can be keep our waste things. Give away of coverage from the home to the coverage, pick up or put them to the community dustbin. Some people will be come and carry this waste things, so we can be keep the waste things where the vehicle is coming through our morning in our areas. The municipalities vehicles are coming, that we can also keep. Otherwise where it is the dustbin it is there where we can be keep them. Do not throw them on the road or the open places. Don't throw here and there open places like roads and etc. Roads and etc. many people were walking. So all can be get for the different types of the disease. Animals also there and birds also there. All the humans will be threat for us. Do not split and don't split here and there. And urinate or defecate the open or public places. Urinate also wherever it is there, the toilet and etc. only we can be urinate. And defecate also in open or public places. It should be totally avoid it. Do not let water collect around your house. You should be not maybe in the proper way our kitchens washing water and etc. want to go down. Otherwise, we will get different types of problems. Do not choke or drains by throwing the waste materials in them. Now we want to study another movement. The early 1970, the contractors went to cut down the many trees. The 1970, the contractors are went to cut down the many trees. That is known as called deforestation. It is many trees, like in the one of the state in India, that is Uttarakhand. Many trees were cut down. Many people are taking the contract and cutting down. If the many trees will be cut down, means what will be happen to us? You will not get sufficient oxygen, because we will not get the sufficient oxygen. Oxygen is needed. So the cutting of the trees is one of the more important threat for our environment nowadays. They embraced the trees and were ready to give up their leaves to prevent them from the being cut. This movement is known as called the Chico movement. This movement is people are totally checked because they were ready to give their own life also. Some of the peoples were ready to give their life. Some famous leaders, Devi, Sundarlal, Chandi, Prasad, etc. were the leaders to be checked this the movement, because some the group of the contractors came and started to cutting some states, our Uttarakhand states, some areas, many trees. Some the leaders were checked against. So this movement is known as called the Chico movement. This movement it was prevented. They were prevented. No need of cutting the trees. It will be harmful for our environment. Then another topic we want to study the Vana Mahotsava. Vana Mahotsava is a festival of the tree plantation in India. It is usually held between 1 and 7 July. This festival was started by the noted by the M.N. Mushi in 1950. Which year it was started? One child wanted to plant one tree. It is written, it is there. It is celebrated by planting the slapping. Thousands of the people participated in this festival and plant lots of trees every year. Vana Mahotsava means it is started in the which year? 1950. Which year the Vana Mahotsava was started? 1950. Because we want to plant more trees. Because so many movements were came, like Uttarakhand and etc. Many trees were started to cutting down, because some people, some KM Munshi was introduced. Everyone wanted to plant one tree. Which year it was started? 1950. 1950. It is Vana Mahotsava. It is the timing is the month of July. 1 to and 7th, it is there. We are celebrating every year the Vana Mahotsava. In the aim of the festivals to make the people aware of importance of the planting the trees to save our environment, the people came to know that how to protect our environment. This Manohar's main aim is there to protect our environment. How to protect our environment. This festival also makes the people aware of the harm to cutting down of the trees. No need of cutting down the trees. Trees, if you will be cutting down, means more problem will become the coming years. Because we have no problem, another generation will become the many problem, because the plants are giving the sufficient oxygen to us. I think so all of you understand. Vana Mahotsava, I am telling once again. Listen all of you. It was started in which year? 1950. It's the month of July 1 and 7. 1 and 7. It's the main aim of the Vana Mahotsava was to planting the more trees and to save our environment. This festival is also makes the people aware of harm of cutting down of the trees. So these movements were started to cutting down of the trees is want to stop it in India. We want to plant them more and more trees. Then only we can be protect our environment. Look at the all of you page number 113. Now I know. Our environment includes everything around us. What are the things our environment includes? Plants, animals, air, land and water bodies. Pollution means, what do you mean by pollution? Pollution means making environment dirty and unhealthy. It will be dirty and unhealthy. Pollutants are the harmful substances that cause pollution. Major types of pollutions are air, water and noise. What are the major types of pollution? Air, water and noise. Air pollution caused due to the smoke released by the air by vehicles and factories. Water pollution is caused due to the dumping of waste of the water bodies. Waste things we are throwing to the water bodies. Noise pollution is caused when instruments, vehicles and so on produce loud and unpleasant noise. We are getting different types of the noise. Pollution harms both the environment as well as human beings. We need a safe and clean environment to live a healthy life. It is our responsibility to keep our surrounding clean. Our responsibility. It is don't think that others' responsibility. Our responsibility to keep the surrounding should be neat and clean. Don't look at the other person can be do it. No. Each and everybody, all the human beings want to think about our responsibility to keep our environment, home and etc. clean. We should plant more trees. What do you want to do? We want to plant more trees, reduce wastage, reuse, recycle the things. This all the things only this chapter we are studying. What we learned today, I am once again explaining to you home, clean home and surrounding. Clean home and surrounding. We should be keep our home and surrounding the first of all clean. First we do not want to throw in the waste things here and there. Especially in the roadsides, it want to keep the proper the dustbin and etc. Don't urinate or defecate or spit here and there. It should be it will be if you are doing such a things in public areas, it will spread different types of the disease. So we should want to protect our environment. Next, two movements were included. The Chicko movement, it was introduced in the 1970. It was the which state it was introduced? The Uttarakhand state. Because some contractors came and started to cutting many the trees. So the many trees were cut means we can't protect our environment. So they were protected to cut our environment. No need of cutting the trees. Some leaders were stopped. They were told no need of cutting these areas. This way they were started to give their own life also. Next topic we were studying the Vanamahotsava. It was introduced the famous one of the K.M. Munshi. It was started in the which year? 1950. Every year of the India it is celebrated month of which month we are celebrating the Vanamahotsava? Month of July. 1st and 7th. 1st to 7th. So that's the main aim of the Vanamahotsava is that every child wanted to plant one tree. What do you want to do? All the children want to plant one tree. The aim of the festival to make people aware of the importance of the planting trees to save our environment. We want to protect our environment. This festival also makes the people aware of the harm of cutting down of trees. All of you want to read the page number 111 and 112. And next video I will be explain with the exercise part like a fill in the blanks, true or false, match the question answer. Thank you. Have a nice day.